Life is busy. Our days are filled with endless tasks and responsibilities. We rush from one thing to the next, barely pausing to catch our breath. It's easy to feel stressed and overwhelmed. The constant noise and activity can be exhausting. Mindfulness offers a solution. It helps us find peace in the chaos. By taking a moment to breathe and center ourselves, we can find calm. Mindfulness means paying attention to the present moment. It's about being fully engaged with what we are doing. We observe our thoughts and feelings without judgment. This awareness allows us to respond rather than react. This simple practice has profound benefits. It can reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance our overall well-being. It can transform our lives. By being mindful, we can find joy in the little things. When we are mindful, we are fully present. We savor each experience, no matter how small. We connect with ourselves and the world around us. This connection brings a sense of peace and fulfillment. Mindfulness is a gift we give ourselves. It's a practice that can enrich our lives in countless ways. Mindfulness is good for our minds and bodies. Studies show it reduces stress and anxiety, it improves focus and concentration, it even helps us sleep better. When we practice mindfulness, we become more aware of our thoughts. We learn to observe them without getting carried away. This helps us break free from negative thought patterns. Mindfulness also benefits our physical health. It lowers blood pressure and boosts our immune system. It helps us manage pain and chronic illnesses. The benefits are numerous. Creating a self-care routine is easy. It doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Start with just a few minutes each day. Even 5 minutes can make a difference. Find a quiet space where you can relax. This could be a corner of your home, a spot in your garden, or a nearby park. Close your eyes and turn your attention to your breath. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. Notice the rise and fall of your chest. Pay attention to the rhythm of your breathing. Observe the sensations of each inhale and exhale. Your mind may wander, that's okay. Simply acknowledge it and bring your focus back. Gently guide it back to your breath. This practice helps to center your mind and calm your body. You can also practice mindfulness through meditation or mindful walking. Feel the ground beneath your feet and the air on your skin. Choose an activity you enjoy. It could be yoga, painting, or simply sitting quietly. The key is to be fully present in each moment. Embrace the peace and tranquility that comes with being mindful. I remember when I first discovered mindfulness. It was a time in my life when everything felt overwhelming and I was constantly on edge. I was struggling with anxiety and stress. My mind was always racing and I couldn't find a moment of peace. A friend suggested I try meditation. They had experienced its benefits and thought it might help me too. I was skeptical, but I gave it a shot. I didn't think sitting quietly could make a difference. To my surprise, it helped. I felt a sense of calm that I hadn't experienced in a long time. I started with just a few minutes each day. It wasn't easy at first, but I stuck with it. Gradually, I increased my practice. I began to look forward to these moments of stillness. I noticed a difference in my mood and outlook. I felt more grounded and less reactive to stress. Mindfulness has transformed my life. It has given me tools to navigate challenges with grace and resilience. It can transform yours too. You don't need to be an expert, just start where you are. Start small and be patient. The benefits will come with time and consistency. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Embrace the journey and discover the peace within.